Want to achieve financial fitness and overall well-being in 2022? Learn practical tips from a health and wellness expert that will transform your financial life. Stay tuned. Welcome to Infinite Wealth Wisdom. If you're new here, and on this channel, we share the best tips and strategies for financial success. Today, we're combining financial fitness with health and wellness insights to help you get financially fit in 2022. Let's dive into these practical tips. Many people struggle to balance their finances, feeling overwhelmed by debt, expenses, and the pressure to save. Just like physical fitness, financial fitness requires discipline, planning, and healthy habits. But where do you start? Here are practical tips from a health and wellness perspective to help you get financially fit. 1. Set clear financial goals. Just like setting fitness goals, start with clear, achievable financial goals. Whether it's paying off debt, saving for a vacation, or building an emergency fund, having specific targets keeps you motivated. 2. Create a budget. A budget is your financial fitness plan. Track your income and expenses to see where your money is going. Allocate funds to essential expenses, savings, and discretionary spending. 3. Build healthy financial habits. Develop habits like saving a portion of your income, avoiding impulse purchases, and regularly reviewing your financial plan. Small, consistent actions lead to long-term success. 4. Exercise financial discipline. Avoid debt by living within your means. Use credit cards responsibly and pay off balances in full each month. Just as you wouldn't overeat junk food, don't overspend on unnecessary items. 5. Invest in your future. Start investing early to take advantage of compound interest. Whether it's a retirement account, stocks, or mutual funds, consistent investing can significantly grow your wealth over time. 6. Monitor your progress. Regularly review your financial goals and adjust as needed. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, and stay committed to your plan. By following these tips, you'll develop a strong financial foundation and improve your overall well-being. Achieving financial fitness not only provides security, but also peace of mind, allowing you to focus on what truly matters in life. To sum up, set clear financial goals, create a budget, build healthy financial habits, exercise financial discipline, invest in your future, and monitor your progress. These steps will help you get financially fit in 2022 and beyond. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Infinite Wealth Wisdom for more financial tips and strategies. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. If you have any questions or tips on financial fitness, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.